Hi folks, today we are back with a culinary fusion where Jamaican jerk meets American smoky barbecue flavor. Today, the smoky fiery kick of real deal jerk chicken meets the sweet sticky goodness of classic American barbecue. To begin making our oven jerk barbecue chicken, we have 5 chicken thighs attached that has been washed and cleaned. And what I did was to go ahead and make some slashes because these will only be marinated for 1 hour. To begin our seasoning, we have 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger, 6 cloves of garlic, fresh garlic. We have some fresh thyme. And this right here is half cup of homemade green seasoning. I will leave a link for this in the description box. Trini homemade seasoning. Half cup. Three tablespoons of jerk seasoning. 3 tablespoons of garlic barbecue sauce, and I'm starting the barbecue sauce because I want the flavors to begin to infuse as it's resting for 1 hour. For our dry spices, we have 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. This is granulated garlic. 1 tablespoon of garlic plus, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, and I have 1 tablespoon of onion powder. And all these goodness goes in there. So let's go in with our hands, get dirty, and rub the seasonings in. And even in between here, you want to get some of that goodness in there. And in no time, this will be marinated. Push the seasoning all on the skin, and there you have a well seasoned piece of chicken. I'm going to cover this and allow it to sit in the refrigerator for 1 hour. To make the barbecue sauce, in this saucepan I have 1 teaspoon of oil and 2 tablespoons of homemade green seasoning. I am adding 1 tablespoon of complete garlic, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic. And it's very aromatic and very flavorful and has a nice toasty smell. I am adding 400 ml of gourmet barbecue sauce. Once I stir this in, it's going to be ready and very flavorful. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please subscribe to the channel and comment below and let me know how you make your homemade barbecue sauce. Sometimes I do make it from scratch, and you can find a barbecue sauce recipe 100% right here on the Potspoon kitchen. And this is ready for our chicken. The chicken has marinated for 1 hour. And as you can see, there's loads of thyme and different flavorings there. And I'm going to put these, and I'm putting these in a large baking dish. That should be perfect. Scrape all the seasonings out. So now I'm adding half of the barbecue sauce over the chicken, and I will reserve the rest for later. And then you want to brush the barbecue all over the chicken. So we're going to cover this up and pop it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 minutes, and then we're going to come back. Let's check on the chicken. We're going to go in with the rest of the barbecue sauce, and then we're going to place this under the broiler. And this smells amazing, and I'm very sure it tastes even better. I'm going to brush this on. And we have some nice gravy to eat our rice with. And you can check out the recipe for my Christmas rice, which I am serving this with, in the description box. So we're going to go ahead and pop it back in the broiler for just about 10 minutes till the top gets nice and caramelized. And there you have it. Just look at this oven barbecue jerk infused chicken. The skin is glossy and caramelized, and it has a beautiful deep mahogany color. If you love this recipe, give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps a lot to support my channel. And I've just got to ask, what side dish will you serve with this oven barbecue jerk chicken? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and let's get into the next one.